Hello everyone, we are Group Sunshine. Hi, I am Nur Huda.
Hello, I'm Shifa Al-Haya.
Hello everyone, this is Imtiaz Azahra.
And the last member of the group is me, Aisyah Humaira.
We are from SM Imtiaz Dungun. For our product, we call it water bulb. As you see, this is our school situation right now. The corridor and the stairs in our school is very dark and it's very dangerous for us students to go there. You may ask, how do we get the idea of our water bulb? First and foremost, this is because the metal that we use for our school need to be replaced every month. This is because our school is near the beach. Every metal things will be rusted easily here. Second, it will take a long time to repair the wiring for the broken bulb in our school. Third, electricity cost will be higher if we use electricity lighted bulb. Our fourth reason is, if it's dark, we might fall down because we can't see the things in front of us.
Fifth, we might be killed by intruders. Because of the dark situation, we can't detect any danger.
Lastly, blackout. Because of the blackout, it will limit our movement and our sight.
Next is our solution strategy. First, use renewable energy source because it will make our bill more cheaper than usual. Second is can be used when the lamp is on repairing because usually it took them forever to repair the lamp. Third is the metal doesn't need to be replaced because the light of our product will not be dim. Last is can be used without electricity because our product uses renewable energy source. As you can see, this is how the product function. The sensor will detect surrounding situations and give a signal to solar panel to turn on the light. And this is the sketch of our product. As you can see, we use plastic ice cream, panel solar, plastic bottle, cardboard, LED, sensor, and water. And this is the materials that we use and estimate cost for it is 29 ringgit 3 cents.
That's all from us.
Farewell everyone!